Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple PC tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can find your mouse DPI. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your search option and search here mouse settings and click that option. And this window will pop up. Here on the right side you can see additional mouse option, click that option. And here on top of this window you can see pointer option, just click that option and you have to uncheck this option, enhance pointer precision, just uncheck it and click apply and then OK. Now go to your browser, any browser will do, but I am using my Chrome here, and search on the search bar DPI analyzer, just enter. And on the search result you can see the website mousesensitivity.com and click this DPI analyzer. And now you can see this is the website that we were looking for. Now scroll down a little bit until you find this ruler, the measurement ruler. Now on this target distance click 1 and here select inches. That means you have to slide your mouse on your mouse pad 1 inches. In that way you can see your actual DPI on the mouse. You can also use a real ruler to slide your mouse 1 inch and then click this red target here and slide your mouse exactly to 1 inches. It may take a few attempts to exactly find 1 inch mouse DPI. So keep doing it until you're satisfied with your 1 inch, and in this way you can find your actual DPI of the mouse. So I hope this helps you, and if this helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.